Hello everyone, welcome to AV Maths. Today we will learn about exercise 1.3 in class 7 new textbook. Exercise 1.3, first one, minus 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus minus 3. So if you change the order of the numbers, you will get the same answer. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus into minus, minus 3 plus 2 equal to 5 minus 3 also plus 2. So this property is commutative property. Commutative law or property. This is commutative law. Second one, minus 2 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. This is if you multiply with one any integer, you will get same integer. This property, this law or property is called multiplication identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, next one, third one. Minus 5 into 2 into 3 equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. So if you are taking three numbers, if you change the order of the numbers, you will get the same answer. Let us see. Minus 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 3, minus 30. Here also. Minus 5. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 5 into 6 minus 30. This property is called associative law or associative property. Next, fourth one. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into plus 7 minus 3 equal to 18 minus 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 minus 7 plus 18 into 3. So, here 18 into 7 plus 3, we will write 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This law is called distributive law. Distributive law. Next, fifth one. Minus 5 into 6 equal to minus 30. So if you take any two integers, multiply, you will get the same integer. Same integer. So this property is called closure. Closure. Closure law or property. Next, sixth one. Sixth one. Minus 3 plus 0 equal to 0 plus minus 3. You will get minus 3 only. 3 తోటి ఏ ఇంటీజర్ యాడ్ చేసినా సేమ్ ఇంటీజరే వస్తుంది. దాన్నే ఎడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ అంటారు. ఎడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ exercise 1.3 full. First Roman. Second sum, what will be the sign of the product of the following? 24 times of negative integer. So, in this 24 times of negative integers, 24 times of negative integers if you multiply, what will get? Negative integer, if you multiply 24 times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 like that, 24 times. Even number of times if you multiply, you will get positive number. Positive integer you will get. Next, second one, 35 times. 35 times of negative integer. 35 times of negative integer if you multiply, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 like that 35 times. You will get odd number of times if you multiply negative integers, you will get negative integer only. Negative integer. This is second Roman. Third one, write the numbers in the blanks by using appropriate law. So here they given first one, minus 3 plus dash equal to minus 3. Minus 3కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 3నే వస్తుంది. సేమ్ ఇంటీజర్ రావాలంటే 0 తోటి చేయాలి. సెకండ్ వన్, 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 3 into both equal. 2 into minus 3 అంటే minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2. Next, third one, minus 6 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 equal to minus 6 plus dash bracket plus dash, minus 6 plus 3, minus 6 plus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. Next one, fourth one, minus 6 into dash equal to minus 6. Minus 6కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 6 వస్తుంది? 1. Fifth one, 5 into minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 equal to dash into minus 6 plus 5 into dash, minus 5. 5 into minus 6. 5 into minus 6. 5 into minus 6 plus 5 into 9. 5 into 9. So this is third sum. Fourth one, state true or false, give reasons. 2 is the multiplicative identity of minus 2. 2 is the multiplicative identity of minus 2. 2కి multiplicative identity minus 2 కాదు. Is it true? కాదు. False. Then what is the correct one? 2కి multiplicative identity what? 2. 2కి multiplicative identity 1 by 2. 2 की multiplicative identity 1 by 2. Second one, integers are commutative under subtraction. Integers are commutative under subtraction. False. Example, 5 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 5 is not equal. 5 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 5 is not equal. Third one, for any integer a and b, for any integer a and b, a into b equal to b into a. Is it correct? True. True. Fourth one, division of by integer is not defined. True. Next, fifth one, 6 plus minus 6 equal to minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0 indicates additive identity property. True. This is full fourth sum. Fifth one, simplify the following using suitable laws. Minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. So let us see this one. Minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. How can you do this one? Minus 11. First you multiply both. Into minus plus 25 fours are 100. So 11 into 100. Simply you multiply. 11 into 100, 1100 minus 1100. Like that. Second one, 3 into minus 18 plus 3 into minus 32. So first what is the common here? 3. So remove 3 and minus 18. In between plus is there, minus 32. So here 3 minus 18 plus into minus 32 minus 3 into minus 18 minus 32 minus 50. Minus 50 into 3 bracket means into 3 into minus 15 minus 150. This is second sum. Fifth sum, first sum and second sum. Verify minus 5 into 2 into 3 equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. For this, minus 5 into 2 into 3 equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. So first you multiply this. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10 into 3. Minus 10 into 3 minus 30. So RHS minus 5 into 2 into 3 6. Minus 5 into 6 minus 30. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is seventh sum.